In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WooCommerce from WordPress. Whether you're closing down your online store, transitioning to another platform, or simply streamlining your website, removing WooCommerce might be a necessary step. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to go to WordPress. This means opening up your WordPress dashboard, which is essentially the control center for managing your website. You can do this by logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar dashboard interface with a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This menu is where most of your navigation will happen. Next, look for the Plugins option in this menu, and click on it. The Plugins section is where you manage all the add-ons and additional functionalities that you have installed on your WordPress site. Here, you'll find WooCommerce listed among the plugins. WooCommerce is what gives your WordPress site e-commerce capabilities, so this is where we want to focus. Once you're in the plugins page, your task is to locate WooCommerce in the list. Given that you might have several plugins installed, you may need to scroll a bit or use the search feature in the top right corner to find it more quickly. Once you see WooCommerce, you'll notice that it has a series of links beneath its name, including options to deactivate and edit. We're halfway through. Now, to delete WooCommerce, it must be deactivated first. Find the Deactivate link below the WooCommerce plugin, and give it a click. Deactivation will turn off WooCommerce, but not completely remove it from your site. This is an important step, as WordPress requires a plugin to be deactivated before it can be deleted. After you've successfully deactivated WooCommerce, the next step is to remove it entirely. The Deactivate link should have transformed into a Delete option. Click on Delete to remove WooCommerce from your WordPress site. You might be prompted to confirm this action, as it can't be undone without reinstalling the plugin. Confirm the deletion to proceed. Once you've done that, WooCommerce has been officially deleted from your site. Now, it's crucial to perform some additional housekeeping. Go back to your dashboard and check for any leftover data or settings related to WooCommerce. Sometimes, plugins leave traces behind even after they're uninstalled. Lastly, double-check your website to ensure everything else is running smoothly without WooCommerce. It's a good idea to browse through different pages to make sure no residual issues are affecting performance. With that, you've successfully deleted WooCommerce from your WordPress site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.